Did you know that what you eat can significantly impact your vision? Imagine eating your way to crystal clear sight. Sounds amazing, right? Well, it's possible. By incorporating certain foods into your diet, you can give your eyes the nutrients they need to stay healthy and sharp. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 incredible nuts that can boost your eye health and help you maintain crystal clear vision. Whether you're looking to prevent vision problems or enhance your eyesight, these nuts can make a real difference. These nuts are packed with essential nutrients like antioxidants, healthy fats, and vitamins that fight oxidative stress, improve blood circulation to your eyes, and support long-term vision health. Stay tuned as we dive into these eye-boosting powerhouses. Let's start with almonds. These crunchy nuts are loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects your eyes from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which helps prevent macular degeneration, a condition that affects central vision and is common in older adults. This vitamin also helps maintain a healthy retina, which is essential for clear vision. Studies have shown that a diet rich in almonds can lower the risk of cataracts, a leading cause of vision impairment. So, if you want to keep your vision sharp, consider adding almonds to your daily routine. Try adding a handful of almonds to your morning oatmeal or enjoy them as a healthy snack throughout the day. Next, we have walnuts. These nuts are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining eye health. The omega-3s in walnuts help reduce inflammation and protect your eyes from conditions like dry eye and macular degeneration. Research has shown that omega-3s play a vital role in maintaining the health of the retina, and a diet high in these fatty acids can improve overall eye function. Add walnuts to your salads, smoothies, or simply snack on them to give your eyes a boost. Let's talk about cashews. These creamy nuts are rich in zinc, an essential mineral for eye health. Zinc helps your body produce melanin, a pigment that protects your eyes from harmful UV rays. It also supports the retina and enhances your night vision. Studies suggest that zinc deficiencies can lead to vision problems, so including cashews in your diet can be a great way to keep your eyes healthy. Cashews are great in stir-fries, mixed with fruits, or as part of your homemade trail mix. Moving on to hazelnuts. These nuts are packed with both vitamin E and selenium, which are powerful antioxidants for your eyes. Vitamin E protects the retina from oxidative damage, while selenium helps reduce the risk of cataracts and age-related vision loss. Research indicates that a diet high in vitamin E and selenium can lower the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration, AMD, one of the leading causes of blindness in older adults. Snack on roasted hazelnuts or add them to your baked goods to enjoy these eye-boosting benefits. Next up are pistachios. These little green nuts are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids known to improve vision. These antioxidants help filter harmful blue light and protect your retina from damage. Lutein and zeaxanthin also support your macula, the part of the retina responsible for central vision. Studies have shown that lutein and zeaxanthin can reduce the risk of cataracts and AMD, so pistachios are a must-have for maintaining clear vision. Enjoy pistachios on their own or add them to salads or smoothies for a crunchy, nutritious snack. Now, let's talk about Brazil nuts. These nuts are an excellent source of selenium, a mineral that plays a vital role in protecting your eyes. Selenium is a potent antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative damage, which can lead to eye diseases like cataracts and AMD. Research suggests that selenium can improve overall eye health and may even help in the prevention of certain eye conditions. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide you with all the selenium you need. Enjoy them as a snack or chop them up and add them to your favorite dishes. Next, we have pecans. These nuts are rich in antioxidants that help fight oxidative stress, which can damage your eyes over time. The antioxidants in pecans help maintain the health of the retina and can reduce the risk of age-related vision issues. Studies show that pecans can play a role in improving overall eye function by protecting your eyes from oxidative damage and inflammation. Add pecans to your salads, or enjoy them in baked goods or as a simple snack. Macadamia nuts are another great choice for eye health. These nuts are packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. The healthy fats in macadamia nuts help improve blood circulation to the eyes, ensuring they get the nutrients they need to function optimally. Antioxidants in macadamia nuts also help protect the eyes from oxidative damage that could lead to conditions like macular degeneration. Macadamias are perfect for adding to your favorite nut mixes or enjoying on their own. Let's not forget chestnuts. Unlike most other nuts, chestnuts are high in vitamin C, which plays an important role in eye health. Vitamin C helps produce collagen, a protein that keeps the blood vessels in your eyes healthy and strong. It also helps protect against cataracts and AMD. Studies suggest that vitamin C can reduce the risk of cataracts and help maintain healthy blood flow to the eyes. Roast chestnuts and enjoy them as a cozy snack or incorporate them into your holiday dishes. Finally, we have pine nuts. These small but mighty nuts are packed with zinc, which is essential for maintaining good vision. Zinc supports the retina and helps prevent night blindness by enhancing the production of melanin in the eyes. Studies show that zinc deficiencies can contribute to vision problems, so adding pine nuts to your diet is a great way to support your eye health. Add pine nuts to your pesto sauce, salads, or simply snack on them throughout the day. How to include these nuts in your diet? Now that we know how powerful these nuts are for our eye health, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your diet in easy and delicious ways. Add chopped nuts to your smoothies for a crunchy texture and an extra nutrient boost. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios blend beautifully into fruit smoothies. Make a mixed nut butter for your toast or sandwiches. You can blend a variety of nuts like cashews, pecans, and almonds with a bit of honey and coconut oil for a creamy, tasty spread. Toss a handful of nuts into your salads for added crunch and flavor. Hazelnuts and pistachios pair wonderfully with leafy greens, while walnuts and almonds can enhance the taste of fruit salads. Bake nuts into healthy muffins or granola bars. Adding walnuts, almonds, or macadamias to your baking will not only make your recipes healthier but also boost the nutritional value. While these nuts are amazing for your vision, it's important to consume them in moderation. A small handful, about 1 ounce or 28 grams, of mixed nuts per day is ideal for getting the full benefits without overloading on calories. This amount will give you a balanced intake of essential nutrients for your eyes. Make it a daily habit to add nuts to your meals or snacks, and you'll be doing wonders for your eye health in the long run. Some common myths and misconceptions. Firstly, that nuts are fattening. There's a common misconception that nuts are unhealthy for weight control because they're calorie-dense. But that's not the case. Despite their higher calorie content, nuts are packed with healthy fats, including omega-3s and monounsaturated fats, which support your heart and brain health. These fats also promote satiety, helping you feel fuller for longer, which can actually help with weight management. So, don't be afraid to include nuts in your diet, just remember to eat them in moderation. Secondly, that all nuts are the same. Another myth is that all nuts are the same, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Each nut has its own unique profile of nutrients that can benefit different aspects of our health. For example, almonds are great for vitamin E, walnuts are rich in omega-3s, and pistachios are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin for eye protection. It's important to vary the types of nuts you eat to get a wide range of nutrients that benefit your eyes and overall well-being. Thirdly, that excessive consumption can be harmful. While nuts are incredibly healthy, it's still important to consume them in moderation. Overeating nuts can lead to excess calorie intake, which may hinder your weight management goals. A small handful, about 1 ounce or 28 grams, is all you need to reap the benefits without going overboard. So, enjoy them as part of a balanced diet, and you'll be set. Now that we've covered the top nuts for your eye health, here are a few extra lifestyle tips to complement your diet and help keep your vision sharp. Regular eye exercises. Just like any other muscle in your body, your eyes can benefit from regular exercise. Simple eye exercises, like focusing on distant objects or rolling your eyes in different directions, can improve circulation and reduce strain. Protecting eyes from blue light and UV rays. We're constantly exposed to screens, and the blue light they emit can cause eye strain and contribute to long-term damage. Use blue light filters on your devices and try wearing protective glasses when using screens for long periods. Additionally, protect your eyes from harmful UV rays by wearing sunglasses when outdoors. Getting adequate sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for overall health, including your eyes. When you sleep, your body works to repair and restore itself, including your eyes. So, aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep every night to support eye health. Regular eye checkups. Lastly, don't forget to schedule regular eye exams with your optometrist or ophthalmologist. Early detection of potential issues, like cataracts or glaucoma, can make all the difference in maintaining clear vision. By combining these habits with the power of vision-boosting nuts, you're setting yourself up for lasting eye health. Thanks for watching.